From rags to Q-tips, vinegar, tape, alcohol, there's so much more. Things to use to keep your Glowforge clean. Let's talk about that. First, we'll start off with the novx electronic degreaser. This will clean the large fan. We'll have another video on that. And then the QD electronic cleaner. These will clean all the connectors and all the circuit boards of all the dust and grease. Isopropyl alcohol cleans all the other spots that you can't quite get to, and you can use a little spray pump to spray into where you need to be. Some cleaning wipes, either Care Touch or even Zeiss will work. This will clean your lenses and your camera lens as well. These are some brushes that are great to clean on the hard reach spots, your fan blades or the exhaust blade. This one is even firmer for the back fan. You'll need a 3mm Allen wrench, either one that's got a group of them or one individual. This will undo the wheel underneath to take off the printer or assist head. You'll need a T10 star wrench. This will take off the exhaust port of the fan assist assembly. Next, we'll have some very tiny Q-tips. These are little baby Q-tips, perfect for the printer head fan to clean inside of that, and larger Q-tips to clean larger areas like the larger assist fan. Make sure not to forget to have the lens remover magnet on inside, and this other side without the magnet puts the lens back in. Some vinegar, cleaning vinegar, 1-to-1 ratio. This helps clean the rest of the entire machine. Make sure you use a lint-free, like one from Norwex, their Enviro, and use the Norwex window to clean all the glass. And paper towels and a little bit of masking tape or duct tape to help clean underneath the laser tube. Thank you for watching this channel on what tools and cleaning supplies you need to clean your Glowforge. If there are any ideas of videos you would like to see about the Glowforge, just let us know in the comments. Are you looking to purchase a Glowforge? Well, you're in luck, as we can save you up to $500 with the link in the description below. Not part of the crew yet? No worries. Look for the link below that says Ken's Crew Headquarters. This is the go-to place for our fans and helping them save money. In fact, using any of our links below helps support our channel, and for that, we thank you. Stay up to date on everything by subscribing to our channel. Make sure you click the bell icon to be notified of videos or when we go live. Here are a few other videos we think you might enjoy. Again, thanks for watching.